Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of my certified pre-owned vehicle pick of the week, the 2017 Chevy Malibu Premier. This Malibu has 23,769 miles on it and has never been reported in any accidents. It comes with a 2.4 liter four-cylinder engine, your black Chevy decals, and 18-inch aluminum wheels. Now when we get inside this vehicle, you can see that we do have our premium Bose audio system, jet black leather seating throughout the entire vehicle. We do have a brown suede material right here, a Chevy MyLink radio, heated and cooling seats, push to talk, lane departure alert, heated steering wheel, front collision alert, and your standard cruise control. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day.